Happy Sunday, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. This is the Sunday Snippets with Michelle. And today's little short snippet is done by Karen from KarenSchulz.net. So if you want to check out some of her stuff, go ahead and click on the link below. And this one is going to be working with stamps. Now, some of you who are brand new to this might be thinking, gosh, I don't even know how to use a stamp. So what she did was in 2019, she did a class called 10 Ways to Work with Stamps. And you can find that after you watch this little snippet if you're a member and see all the other ways. But this particular one is she is going to be using a gradient to color a black and white stamp. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining me.
Another way that you can color a stamp is with a gradient. This is way number 2. I'm going to create a blank layer on top of this. Click on the gradient tool. Click down here, see what I want. And I will just go right now. This is one I was playing with this afternoon, but right now I'm going to just choose one that they already have here. Click OK. And you're just going to, on this extra layer, you're just going to drag across and let go. That's filling up the whole page. But if I hold down Alt and hover my mouse in between that gradient layer and the stamp and left click, it will clip that gradient to that stamp, create a clipping mask, and then you will have a multicolored stamp. Again, if you want to edit it, and that's what I was doing this afternoon, just playing around with it. I should have saved that because I thought, that doesn't look very good. Let's see if we can do that. So I'm going to start over again. If you can't find something that you want, click on the edit button, the colors that you want. And all you have to do, there's a lot more to the gradient editor than I'm going to show you tonight, but very simply, you can click on the colors and choose a different color. Click on the color box below, and let's go with maybe a nice pastel yellow. And for the purple, click on the purple. Let's go to maybe an aqua color. And the orange, click on the orange, and let's go to a green. And the blue, click on the blue, and maybe something like that. Okay, and now all we have to do is just go over what we had before, and we have a different color. And you can go from any angle you want. You can go a little bit in, you can go a lot in, just however you want to explore that gradient. I might have talked about gradients in another class. I'm having a little of deja vu at the moment. So you might explore that roadmap if you want to learn more about gradients, because this is a very, very easy way to color a black stamp. Any questions?
And then if you put a white background behind there, somebody wants to see how it pops with in between like the background and then the stamp. Let's see, there was another question. Most people are saying that your echo is pretty much gone now. So whatever you did was good.
Okay, good.
Let's see here. People are saying that's nice, love that. I like that method. Can you give it a shadow?
Yes, you could. Typically, this looks like a watercolor. So I might not give it a shadow, but we will talk about that a little bit later.
Perfect. Awesome. That looks pretty.
Thank you. Ready for number 3?